Hi everyone. There were some questions that came in about how to graph the problems towards the end of the module 1.5 homework or content quiz. So I just wanted to do a demonstration. I decided to choose problem 13 to demonstrate how to correctly graph this. So I'm just going to jump right in and show you how to do it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on the first equation here. I'm going to go ahead and graph this just like it's, I'm going to, in my mind, pretend like it says y equals. And then I will worry about the less than symbol in a little bit. Okay, so I got my line tool selected. I'm going to go to the y-intercept and click on 7. Then I'm going to go up 1 and then over 6 units. Should be good there. Okay, that gets the line. Now let me worry about the fact that it says less than. So the first thing I'm going to do, because it says less than, I need a dotted line. It does not say less than or equal to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click line 1 and make that a dashed line. And then the next thing I'm going to do is, because it's less than, I'm going to fill in. Well, maybe I should mentally fill in below that. Okay, so the reason why I say mentally do that is because I still have to worry about where I'm going to fill in the second equation. So let's talk about the second equation here for a second. I don't want to do that. Second equation, I'm going to start my y-intercept at -4. Ooh, I can't do -4. Okay, well, if I can't do -4, then I need another point. Well, maybe instead of plugging in the x value 0 for the y-intercept, let me go ahead and plug in the x value 1. So if x is 1, then what is y? Y would be 2 times 1, which is 2. 2 take away 4 is -2. So when I plug in the x value of 1, I get -2. I'll let that be my first point. Select my line tool. I said I plugged in a 1 and got out a -2. I thought I selected my line tool. There we go. 1, -2. There it is. And then I can go from that point. It doesn't have to be the y-intercept. You can go from any point, take that point, and now go up 2 over 1. There's that line. And that is a solid line because it does have the greater than or equal to symbol. And the shading in this case would be above the line. So I need to see where those shadings intersect. So remember the dotted line, I need below the dotted line because it's less than. The solid line is above because it's greater than. So where they intersect is this little region right here. So I will go ahead and fill that region. Right there in between those two graphs. Okay, and then it says find the coordinates of the vertex. So where is the corner? Right there, and then that looks like it's at 6, 8. At 6, 8. And then it says determine whether the solution is bounded. Well, you can see that this shading would just keep, I know we don't see it, but it would keep going on and on and on here to the left. So it is not bounded. And then that should be good to go. So hopefully that little walkthrough, we'll just double check just to make sure everything's good there. Hopefully that little walkthrough is helpful. The graph is good. Vertex is good. It is not bounded. That's correct. So hopefully that little walkthrough helps you on how to get these things graphed correctly. Okay, talk to you soon.